Alright, well, I'm gonna get me opinionated peeps. I'm back again with another video. Now, this one is a audio that was sent to me by one of my loyal supporters, and them say, "Unstoppable, listen to what this police officer is saying." Right now, the officer is talking about a lot of things that is going to happen if certain things don't change. Now, he might explain that he encounter a situation simply by just trying to go get some food to eat, right? And something happened to him. So we're going to jump in and take a listen to what the officer is saying, and then we'll talk about it a little more at the end, all right? Let's listen.
I'm a cop for 33 years, detective all of my life. And I went to Sovereign in Portmore. That is in Pine Plaza there, or Sovereign Pine, whichever they call it. And went to Wendy's, the drive-thru. When I reach up to the area where I'm supposed to speak over the mic for your order, then say I must come round to the second window. I realized that the vehicle might move fast. I was saying, but I wonder if whether my order them don't have it, that's why the vehicle might move so fast. When I went to the window, two lady have a mask right here with them cash and say, listen, you have this white paper, I have this white paper, you have any like this? I said, what is it? He said, then get it from Sunday to show the people. And if they don't have it, them don't get served. So I took out my ID and showed them a police ID. I said, no, not even police can get served if you don't have that paper. Them say they get it from Sunday. So if I'm on a job that I'm about after 12, I'm on a job from 6 o'clock in the morning and I want something to eat. Are you telling me as a person who's serving this country, I must dead for hungry? If I don't have that paper. When I said to her, I said, let me see the paper. I said, no. If you didn't have one, you know what on it. I'm saying, okay. I drove off. All I'm saying to you people, dark days are here. And that is why you see police, they're down the street. And they're on lockdown. And I lock up anybody during the lockdown. And I feel so bad for my country. This is where I served so much years, and this is what it come to. So where should I get food to eat? The food to eat to keep me alive. Suppose I was a person who's sick. I need some food to eat, to take some medication. What would happen to me? What the country gone to? And it's going to get worse and worse until there's an end. At the end of this thing, not going to be pretty. Because when you trouble the security force that way, I deal with them that way, them going to leave you people out there unsafe. Their time will come with police, because of them treat police, the government. Their time will come when you call for assistance and the police is on your street and turn him back. Because I'm not going to take action immediately and wait until after. You must say it easier. Because guess what? How the country treats you.
I want to come to that at all.
And that is what is happening. I am one of them. Happened to today. And I realized something. I work Sunday also. I was up by New Kingston and I drive a marked police vehicle. And when I reach up by the Kentucky and New Kingston, they say I cannot go inside here. And I see another police stand up in a uniform, me in my police vest. And him say, Indian, but I think set away, we can't go in there. At the same time, I see the guys them where go deliver food and bike going through the door without mask, going inside here, take up on them taking and coming outside. The government say these guys we must not charge them because they don't have a carrier's license to carry food. You must not charge them if you don't carry the food. That's right we are. And they know that the law is there. So what are you doing? You opening one hand and close another hand? Because when you buy the food like that online, you have to pay $600. So the bank get money and the fast food place get money. So that is a way to go to treat people in this country. This is what our country come to. It's going to get worse. Dark days are here. This is the last thing them do. If you do it one time and you reverse it, you already do the damage. I just see it. Last week, Monday, on duty again. I'm going to Kentucky at 85. Them say, vibrator, and them say, we cannot come inside here. Then say we're going to a window where all of the people mix up. And you see guys where do ends, where them call it, delivery, you with them. I go inside here. So who we as a police, as a security force, who we? We are nothing. So here what gonna happen? The police gonna treat the people like nothing. I don't say anything I said. They serve the person who can defend themselves or help themselves. They are the one who can help themselves and can take the vaccine. And not looking and see what is going to happen to other people you're going to depend on. Apparently government say, listen, you don't need the police force. Every man is for themselves. That's how I see it.
Well, boy, people now go tell no lie. The part where him say, you know, the police are going to turn them back when time things are happening and them things. We don't want that to start, you know, because if that start to happen at Jamaica, a problem, because if you don't have the police to call upon when you're in a dangerous situation, then who you going to call upon? You understand what I say? Now, the white paper why I talk about, I don't know why I talk about. If anybody who watch this video right now know what is the white paper I refer to, leave it at the comment section. Let me know, and let the other persons who don't know what this white paper is all about, let me know. I don't want to say it's a COVID vaccine passport, because I doubt it's a white paper. I mean, I don't know what the passport looks like, but talk to me in the comment section. Let me know if you know what this white paper is that he was referring to. Right now, that part I still don't understand, because if you pull up at the drive-through to make a purchase, I don't see why they would say to you, if you don't have this white paper, then I can't serve you. I don't understand that. I can understand the part where he must say the people them tell him say he cannot come inside the building, because not because you're a police officer means you're exempt from the rules, meaning if you can't go inside, or if it's 3 persons at a time supposed to be inside, and I understand that part. But then again, you hear him say the delivery boys was able to go in and out, in and out, in and out. So it's a bunch of confusion when you listen. You understand what I say? It's all different type of things where contradict itself. I mean, I say John Star, you know, but people, if this is a police officer, the man saying he's an officer of 33 years, right? And if this is how he is feeling, right? We don't want it get no worse. God know we don't want it get no worse. Because if the police decide, say, yo, them are going to turn them back on the people of Jamaica and not looking out for the best interest of the people anymore, a problem. You understand? So watch our viewers. Start me down below in the comment section. Let me know what is your take on this whole situation. And as me say, if you know what is this white paper he was referring to, leave it in the comments. Alright? Your opinion always matters. So start me down below. Bless up.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.